Tesla Cybertruck paid a visit to the Gigafactory in Texas, and Elon Musk was behind the wheel. Imagine rolling up like that. Like they're building the Gigafactory in the background. It's got all the workers. Look at all the yellow vests.
It's like, hey, everyone.
You just roll up real quick, and all the phones come out. Everybody's recording it.
These guys, Bezos yesterday with the rocket in front of the rocket, and now Elon's tooting around in this thing.
That's right.
It's
billionaire stuff.
Yeah.
But this they're actually going to make, and what's cool about this one is anybody can buy it. Unlike that rocket, a little more complex. Anybody can have a Cybertruck, and no matter how many times we see it, it doesn't seem real. I think there's going to be a difference when we see it in real life.
You got one coming.
Do I?
You tell me.
I ordered the Model S Plaid. And where's that? So
it's in the mail.
If I put a deposit on the Cybertruck, I don't think it's healthy to even imagine a date, because then you'd be like, hey, where's my Cyber? Because I don't think it's anytime soon. I mean, they're building a factory, so I shouldn't be so down on it. But as per Elon Musk, he actually drove around the Gigafactory complex behind the wheel of Cybertruck. Other photos of the visit show Musk addressing a crowd at Giga Texas, many of whom seem to be drawn to the massive all-electric pickup. Well, yeah, you would be, especially if you're going to eventually manufacture it. So it's a good entrance.
I love that truck.
Oh, there's a little video at the bottom, a little Snapchat video. Someone says it already looks like Mars. Well, he happened to be driving across this sand, this reddish colored sand.
All right, let's check it out.
Next one down. There you go. What do you say? Is that Mars now?
Cool.
Are we on Mars now?
Can we talk about this camera work here? What is that? This is worse than that Apple Pencil video.
It's dynamic, Kirk. You don't know how to Snapchat.
No, man.
You don't know
cinematography.
It's a Dutch angle, and then he rotates it to be.
You never heard of Snapchat. You're 47 years old, so
Snapchat. It's 2021 over here.
Chat Snap.